Welcome to Reparenting Daily. Today we're diving into the ACA Big Red Book, the foundational text of adult children of alcoholics' dysfunctional families. This book is a powerful guide for anyone healing from a chaotic or neglectful upbringing, and it aligns deeply with reparenting work. The ACA Big Red Book opens by explaining what it means to grow up in a dysfunctional family. You didn't need alcoholic parents. Any household marked by control, neglect, or inconsistency can leave deep emotional scars. ACA helps us identify the survival roles we took on and how those roles still affect us. A key concept is the laundry list, 14 traits common to adult children. These include fear of authority, approval-seeking, difficulty identifying feelings, and a harsh inner critic. Reading these often creates a moment of recognition for many. That's me. This list becomes the starting point for healing. The Big Red Book describes how childhood survival tools like perfectionism or people-pleasing become adult liabilities. Reparenting means developing new inner guidance systems. Instead of relying on fear or control, we learn to make choices from self-trust and self-compassion. Central to ACA is the idea of the loving parent and the inner child. The book teaches us to build a relationship between these two parts of ourselves. This directly overlaps with reparenting, where we learn to nurture, protect, and guide the vulnerable child within us. ACA emphasizes that the disease of family dysfunction is generational, and recovery is a courageous act of breaking the cycle. This is the heart of reparenting, choosing to treat ourselves with the love, consistency, and structure we never received. The program includes 12 steps and 12 traditions adapted for adult children. Unlike traditional recovery, ACA focuses more on emotional sobriety, healing from shame, fear, and the internalized voices of dysfunctional caregivers. This work builds emotional regulation and self-worth. One of the most transformative ACA tools is reparenting through fellowship. In meetings, members share their stories in a judgment-free space, modeling the unconditional regard we're learning to give ourselves. Hearing "you're not alone" is deeply healing. The Big Red Book also describes the inner child meditation, a practice of reconnecting with our wounded self and offering comfort and validation. Neuroscience shows that inner visualization and self-soothing strengthen new neural pathways for self-trust. This book doesn't promise quick fixes. It teaches patience, boundaries, and accountability. Reparenting is a long process, but it's real, lasting change, and ACA gives us a map and community to walk that path with.
If you grew up feeling invisible, overly responsible, or deeply ashamed, you're not broken. You adapted, and you can now rewire, reparent, and recover. ACA gives you language, tools, and support for that journey. Thanks for watching Reparenting Daily. If you want more insights on healing childhood trauma, rebuilding your self-concept, and creating a safe inner world, subscribe, share, and stay connected. You are not alone. You are worth healing. To learn more about Reparenting Daily, check out the website and the 3 podcasts below.